Looking for an alternative to rolling ladders and large order picking equipment? Introducing the CLARK OSQ Quick Order Picker. With a compact design, intuitive controls, and a tight turning radius, the OSQ has been designed to effortlessly navigate tight aisles, elevating your operation and boosting efficiency. The OSQ allows operators to safely pick orders from heights up to 192 inches and can be safely operated even from the elevated position, making it the most efficient way to pick orders in a fast-paced facility. The large operator compartment, accessible from either side, features maneuverable armrests that safely enclose the operator during operation. The foot switch on the floorboard ensures operators are in the proper position before operation of the lift or lower functions, as well as the travel function. Operator-friendly fingertip controls allow operators to lift, lower, and depress the horn without having to shift their arm position, making operating the OSQ a breeze. Forward and reverse travel is controlled with a small lever, which operators can easily operate with their thumb. While plugging is the most common form of braking, operators can easily access the emergency shutoff switch, which can be activated to shut the truck down quickly. Operators simply turn the switch again to deactivate the emergency braking functionality. The AC-powered electric steering allows for precise movement and is ergonomically designed to require minimal input force from the operator. The wheel position can be viewed on the LCD screen, which is helpful when maneuvering the truck at height. Additionally, the LCD screen displays vehicle diagnostic codes, the battery indicator, and the 4 selectable travel speed settings, along with turtle travel speed. With the guardrails lowered, a harness is not required on the OSQ. Optionally, an anchorage, tether, and harness kit can be ordered through your local CLARK dealer if operators will be lifting the guardrails or exiting the OSQ during operation. Additional safety features on the OSQ include an emergency lowering valve on the chassis and a see-through grate on the OSQ's main load tray, which allows for excellent visibility at height. Travel speed is automatically reduced when the OSQ is elevated, and the mast is equipped with a hydraulic accumulator, providing for a soft, controlled descent. The OSQ is built to last with a robust frame, heavy-duty components, and an I-beam mast that provides superior durability and strength at height. The OSQ can carry up to 500 pounds on the service tray and can support an operator up to 300 pounds. The OSQ is powered by a 224 amp-hour AGM battery with an integral 120-volt smart charger, keeping your operations moving forward shift after shift. The fully charged battery can support an operational runtime of up to 4 hours. In multi-shift applications, customers can easily swap the battery using the integrated battery rollers in the battery compartment. The rear grab tray can support up to 200 pounds of material, keeping your operators picking with ease, hands-free. In addition to the attached trays, the OSQ can be equipped with a tow hitch, allowing operators to tow carts up to 1,500 pounds behind the truck, maximizing efficiency and reducing the need for multiple trips to unload the trays. The OSQ is the perfect all-in-one solution for operations that need to tow, lift, and drive with ease through narrow aisles. Order picking has never been easier than with the CLARK OSQ Order Picker. Ready to discover the CLARK difference? Contact your local CLARK dealer today to learn more about how the OSQ can boost efficiency in your warehouse.